Alright, so we are here at Sepang International Circuit, and today we'll be attempting to break my previous personal best, which is 258 with Myvi. My car has went through a couple of changes. One of the main changes is that now I'm running Yokohama AD09 tires, as well as a new front splitter to assist me with the aero. I'm interested to see the lap time I'm capable of doing today. So the weather is looking quite cloudy. It was very sunny, and then we were greeted by a little bit of drizzling rain just now, but it seems that it has stopped. So hopefully this continues until later on. Alright, so unfortunately it's raining right now, and this will be my first time driving on a wet Sepang circuit. So I'm not sure what to expect, so I'll just pass it to my race engineer for today, who had our strategy planned out.
I'm just his friend, but considering that the track is very damp and it's still drizzling, it's not really raining but it's drizzling, so the water will be there, just there won't be any standing water. The tires won't really get up to temperature as it will be during the dry session, so we are running with slightly higher tire pressures than we usually would in dry session. And honestly, I just would like to see how Hariz does with the new tires out on the damp track, and then we'd like to hear his feedback first on after the first heat. So yeah, we need to wait for that to have a strong outlook towards what next to do, what to do next.
Alright, so it seems that we have about 5 minutes until race time, so I'm just gonna get myself prepared for it, and hopefully we're able to break my personal best even in this condition.
Bro, be careful lah, track basah ah. Okay, right? Okay, go.
and that is the end of my session just now. Unfortunately, I was not able to do I was not able to break my personal best, but I did notice that the changes done to the car has actually improved the car's characteristic bit. One of the things that I would like to highlight is that I'm able to reach a higher top speed through the straight line before turn 1, and then I am more confident through the high speed turns. The AD09 surprisingly handles very well in the wet. I did encounter a couple of sliding or oversteers throughout my session, but I was able to recover from it. Well, to sum it up, I'm actually very happy with how my car turned out after a while of research and developing a few upgrade parts here and there. I would like to say thank you to Irfan because with his tips and advice, he was able to tame the car, the issues that I was facing, which was very oversteering and sliding, and then Irfan managed my tire pressure a little bit more and worked very well. Irfan, do you have anything to say, future improvements to the car?
For now, we can't really say anything because we did it in the wet. We will need a proper dry run to really gauge the car's performance. But he seems happy, and that's what's most important to me. I think he's already talked about how by readjusting the rear tire pressures can help in terms of the rear stability of the car. And yeah, it really goes to show how much the splitter has affected the aero balance of the car, giving much more grip to the front tires and also making the rear a little bit looser. This could also help him in his driving technique where he likes to swing the car around. But yeah, I would like to see how he does in the dry in the future.
So I think it'll be a while before I visit Sepang again. Till then, I'll see you guys in MIMC.